everyone, I am Sabrina and welcome to my channel. Today we have finally received our wonderful February Knitcrate. I was really wondering where my box was, and in fact I was really about to contact Knitcrate to inquire where my box was. And guess what? Today the postman knocked at my door and here it is. Knitcrate. Super excited to open it. February Knitcrate unboxing. So please join me as I am super excited to open it in front of you. I have my wonderful scissors. Look at that, complements the color. Yep. So we are ready to open this together. So I will pause for 1 second and we shall do this. For those of you who are wondering what exactly is a Knitcrate box, well, it is a monthly subscription to a yarn company called Knitcrate. And there are 3 different boxes that you can choose from. There is the membership Knitcrate, which is what I am getting. There is a sock Knitcrate. And there is a Malabrigo Knitcrate, which is a higher, more, luxurious and more expensive yarn. But I just subscribe to the regular Knitcrate membership. And in that box, you get yarn, usually 2 skeins of yarn every month, which is 100 grams each. Occasionally, you get just a 1 skein, but that's because it might be fingering weight and a lot more luxurious than usual. But usually you get 2 skeins. And before you didn't have a choice of colors. Now you can choose colorways of your choice. There is the Energize Me, which is all to do with vibrant colors, red, yellow, orange, all that kind of colors, pinks. There is the natural colorway, which is all browns and all natural colors, grays, creams, and all that kind. And there is there is the Energize, Natural, and there's another colorway which escapes me right now. Chill Out. I think it's Chill Out or something like that. Which is all blues and, all relaxing colors. And I always get excited with my Knitcrate because I don't take the option of choosing a color. I like the element of surprise. Even if it's a color that I don't really particularly enjoy, but I like the element of surprise. And let's face it, if I was to get the same colors over and over and over again, eventually I'd get bored. So I do like variety. So are we ready to open this, or are we ready to open this? Before I open my box, I have to mention the fact that I am in no way affiliated with Knitcrate. I am not sponsored. I just enjoy sharing what I've got with you guys, and when I enjoy something, I like to shout out about it. So the Knitcrate, to me, is amazing. I really love them, and they do listen to people. They have their subscribers, and they listen to what we want, which is really, really great. Wonderful customer relations and things. So I am a big fan of Knitcrate, and if you haven't already, and if you want to check them out, I will leave the link in the description box below. So feel free to check them out. They are amazing prices are quite reasonable, and honestly, I always get really excited. Right, okay, let's open it up. Time to have fun and open this up. Okay, I got my scissors, and you see I haven't opened it at all. It's still sealed right there. So I will open now. Okay, I think I will let you have a little peek before I do. Okay, so let's do this. No, wrong way. What color do I have? What color is it? All will be revealed in a second for me. Will I like it? Will I like it? Let's find out. Ooh! Oh, yes. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. I'm very pleased, you guys. So, oh, this is soft. Okay. Let's find out about the yarn, shall we? It is Odin wools, and Odin wools Shine Sport, colorway Sky, perfect, 80% superwash merino, and 20% tencel. But it's spelled Tencel. Tencel. Not tencel that you find in garlands and, tencel. Okay. It's super soft and I love the color. Look at that. So it's like a light blue with a lot of bits of blues and things, darker blues. Oh, there's some purple as well here. Can you see? Where am I pointing? There. Some purple bits here, some blues. Oh, this is amazing. Yes, and we have two of those. Ha ha. Okay. The Odin wool, I think. Odin wools. And oh! Creative Grandma. Oh, I wonder if she designed a yarn. Has she been? I know that Knitcrate were working with people with like influencers from YouTube and other places. They're working with Creative Grandma. Look at that, you guys. Creative Grandma. Oh, that makes it even more special. Even so much so that my guinea pig is joining me with this. I'm super excited. Creative Grandma. We all love you so much. Yes, we do. I am a big fan of Creative Grandma and I watch her channel. I follow a lot of her tutorials and I really enjoy it. So, wow, Creative Grandma. Yes, okay. I need to stop behaving like a stupid, right? But I am really excited for Creative Grandma. She has been involved with Knitcrate, and why not? She's amazing, super amazing. There isn't a person really that should not know her, but just in case, check her out. I will try and link her channel down here somewhere, just below Knitcrate. So, what else do we have? We have a booklet which tells us about the yarn. And, oh, Glenda, you have got 2 pages dedicated to you. Glenda Winkleman, Creative Grandma. Look at this. And it tells you a little bit about her right there. So, oh wow, what a beautiful picture. She looks so happy. Oh, she's amazing. Oh, Glenda, I'm so pleased for you. Yes, I really am. That is really, really a thrill. So, ooh, look at the colors that were available. That one is amazing. It's called Flirt. That one's Sprout, and the one I have, which is Sky. Oh, I like those colors, all of them. Even the sky is beautiful. So we have some socks to crochet, and there's a knitting pattern for a hat and some gloves. And we have another crochet pattern for a toque and fingerless gloves, which I will show you. So this is the knitted pattern. And then these other socks and the toque and the fingerless gloves. Yeah, wow, amazing. I really am really pleased with this one. Okay, and the next month we have a little sneak peek as to what theme it is, and it is Wandering. The colors are quite nice and quite calm, so I'm looking forward to that. Wow, more like into pastels, I think. And yeah, so it's super exciting. Oh, I will pause 1 second and I will be right back. So in all my excitement, I completely forgot to mention one little thing. We always have a little extra nowadays in our box. And this month's little extra is absolutely amazing. We have a wonderful ceramic button, and it's from a company that I've never heard of before. It's called Incomparable Buttons, and there is a website, buttonmad.com. So I will show it to you now. The button is made of ceramic, and I think it is hand painted. I'm not sure, but I think it is, and it is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. It is so beautiful. It's a big button, and the website is here, buttonmad.com. I will be sure to check them out, and who knows, I might order a few buttons. It's quite a big button, so I think I might do something extra special, like a vest or maybe a little shawlette, and use the one button, as a fastener so it can stay on. And I will use that yarn, and creative grandma. I am so amazed. Just creative grandma. Where is she? She's here. Oh, there she is. Oh, I love her so much. Glenda, I am so, so thrilled. Oh, anyway, enough of that. It has been a complete blast to open this box. I am absolutely thrilled with my yarn, the little extra button, and Glenda, obviously. And since she was involved in making this yarn, I think this makes this yarn a little bit extra special to me. Yes, it really does. Oh, it is super, super soft, and I cannot believe it. 80% superwash merino and 20% tencel. I don't know what tencel is. I will look into it. Oh, what I forgot to mention is that it is a sport weight. So I think it's like a DK. Um, yes, I think it's a DK. Although it feels a little thinner than a DK, I would say like a UK 4-ply, which I don't know what that is in the USA. Yes. just a tiny bit thinner than DK. But wow, I love it. Look at my beautiful yarn. Oh, I always love to hug and cuddle my yarns. Just really love it. Oh, I can't wait to see what I'll be doing with this because I don't think I'll be following one of the patterns exactly, but anyway, I'm excited to use this yarn. Thank you very much for joining me on Unboxing February Knitcrate. They never let us down. They really don't. They are amazing. Thank you, Knitcrate, for another wonderful month. And already I cannot wait to open March. So thank you everyone for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone!